Stacy Krolak. I'm owner of Catch 22 Sports Grill. We're located at 32nd Street and Union Hills. We offer the whole NFL package, college sports. We have great signature drinks, cocktails, of course all your draft beers, IPAs. We have great food, and just not bar food. We have great macaroni and cheese, the house macaroni and cheese. We have chicken, lemon chicken that's wonderful, and all kinds of great desserts, so please stop in. We're at the northeast corner next to CVS at 32nd Street in Union Hills. We have been using Tradesource now for about 2 months. We really have wrapped our head around it and learned the ins and outs of it. It's been very valuable to our business. We trade out a lot of things, for example, our paper products, our pest control, our alarm, training of staff for Food Biz Network, just various things all across the board, our uniforms for our t-shirts, our cleaning of our windows. So it's really helped our business grow. We've really reached out to our community, met a lot of really neat people, and I think it's going to help their business and help ours as well. Thank you.